Hello, Damien. I thought I'd just shoot this quick video for you. So from when you hop into inspect, you want to go to reports. You choose your date range. You want to go down here to this advisor RO ASR report. You run it. And you want to go to your lines in the REQ column. And these are hyperlinks. So if I click on this 256 for Jeremiah, that takes me to another report. This is all of his ROs and all of his ASRs for last month, 256. Over here, you're looking for blank lines. So instead of going sorting through each line, you want to export it to Excel. And then you can filter the data. By blanks. So out of the 256 lines that he had, Jeremiah missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Hope this helps. If you need anything, call me at 312-317-8519. Thanks.